Hey, my name is Lawrence. I'm at the same Hilliard residence. We're just doing a shingle repair attempt, and we're recording the process just in case there's any damage that happens when we're attempting to do the repair. I'm just going to start with unsealing the shingles really quick. And this X is the wind damaged shingle that we're attempting to repair today. Here's just the damaged shingle. You can see there's creasing all along the top of it. This obviously had a bit of debris get under it. You can see there's some small bits of grass and leaves and other types of brush. This is our new shingle. It's Certainteed XT25 in the weatherwood color. I sent in one of the old shingles from the roof for an ITEL report, and this is what we got back. Nail. And also, I would just like to note, this is the minimum amount of liftage that I will need to hammer the nail in. This is just how high the shingle had to be lifted above for me to actually get a swing on the nail.
All right, Lawrence has now got the shingle put in place. A couple things happened as a result of the manipulation required to install it. So the shingle right here, this one that's darker than all the rest, is the new one. And as you can see, this shingle above it has started to crease at the bend point. So you may be able to see it. But a bigger concern that we're having, the shingles are a little bit older, so when we went to unseal them, an occurrence called material transfer happened, and that's where the monolithic concrete bond between the asphalt sealant and the shingle, once it was broken, pulled pieces of this lower shingle onto here. So now, instead of having sealant to reseal down, we have gravel, which obviously is not sticky. So this shingle will no longer seal down. It was damaged as a result of repairing this one. And I'm sure if we feel around, yeah, this one too had material transfer. You can see these pieces right here, over here. This is now no longer going to seal down. Turn to the other side. Got it again right here. These ones are already sealing to the new sealant strip, not the old one. Okay. Cool. That concludes our repair attempts. We do not feel comfortable continuing making the rest of the repairs on the roof because of those issues, as well as some other things. So we'll kind of take a walk down right here. So this shingle right here that is missing from wind damage, to repair it, you would actually have to remove this ridge vent. And this is a rolled ridge vent. They come in all different lengths, but I'm assuming this is probably a 20-foot piece. So here, to replace this shingle, we would have to take off this ridge vent all the way down. And then where this is nailed in, it's going to leave this top shingle damaged from just manipulation of this. So these will also have to be repaired going down this other side of the roof too, and vice versa at the end.